Arabella, you didn't get the truck. You didn't get it? Is that blue truck exciting?
Can you get it, honey?
You're trying, huh? I see your foot, Josh.
It's a great foot.
It is. Look, are you gonna get it? Yeah? Get it! Get it!
You just put her arm out, I'd help her hold it, but I don't know if she knows what to do with it.
Oh, you scooted. You scooted forward. Are you talking to it?
She's going.
She's trying to reach. She just can't quite figure out what to reach with. She keeps reaching with her other arm. Yeah?
A couple weeks here, she'll be flinging stuff around. Let's get the toys out of the way.
Say bye. Hi, little lady. Bye-bye. There she goes again.